Yeah. Hi, students. I am Dr. Badrinath. Nutritional deficiency is today's topic. Generally, we are not bothering about nutritional deficiency. We will think that I do not have my own house. I have to construct new house. That fellow has a own house and all. My salary is only 10,000. His salary is 1 lakh. Okay. And ladies will feel that I have only one gold chain. She has a number of gold chains. Like that, they are thinking that deficiency of a gold chain, deficiency of a house, deficiency of a salary. Generally, we are thinking that, but this nutritional deficiency, nobody will think. I have a only less iron. She has more iron. We are not thinking about. We are not at all bothering about that. We are not aware of that also. Why? What is the necessary physical things? What are existing thing that we will see. But what is the going on inside deficiency? We never feel. You ask the importance of vitamin A. This person no. What is the deficiency of vitamin A? It leads to night blindness. Vitamin A. We know, everybody know. Night blindness. When the moon starts, 6 p.m. moon starts, so he cannot see. Only in the morning in the sunlight he will see, and he can do anything. But whereas that is called a night blindness. Blindness is there only in the night. That is called a night blindness. Generally, we are calling these type of persons as a moon man. Moon man, because he can't see the moon, like that. Okay, so 6 p.m. That, so he know the importance of vitamin A. See, nutritional deficiency in India, it was a survey. It was published in India today. Number of papers also. Nutritional deficiencies in Indian women, not in the world. This is because always they are worrying about external thing, but not the internal thing. What is see? 50% of the ladies, they are suffering with the iron, deficiency of iron. Vitamin D 90%, which is important for defense system. Vitamin D stands for defense. Our body will fight immune system. C also important for immune system. Vitamin D deficiency is there, defense is not there, 90%. That's why corona is attacking. Why corona is attacking means because of the problem of that's why the doctors has prescribed a number of vitamin D tablets, a number of vitamin C tablets during the in the corona season. Now also they are writing important for boosting system. Iodine is the biggest business in the India. Biggest business, iodine, thyroid, thyroxine. Because we are not taking iodine salt, it leads to deficiency of iodine, it leads to goiter. Vitamin A, just now I told 30% of the people are suffering, see, with the deficiency of vitamin A. Okay, night blindness is one of the main thing which is causing that. And calcium deficiency, bones, easy bone fracture will be there easily. Just fell down from nearby only, just not from the very height. Even little height also they can tolerate. If they fell down means bone breakage. Because of the deficiency of calcium, 40% are there. Just imagine, see the statistics, you will get a shiver. Yeah, we are studying the social and preventive pharmacy. That is a subject, okay, for fourth B.Pharmacy students. That you know very well. That is this is the subject name, okay. And here, this is the topic: nutritional deficiencies, vitamin deficiencies. All these entire topics I have already completed and I uploaded the video. It is available readily in my playlist. That and all you can be watch it. So this topic is nutritional deficiencies and vitamin deficiencies. Nutritional deficiency, we know that nutrients are micronutrients and macronutrients. Micronutrients are nothing but only two: vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are micronutrients because it required, our body requires in very small quantity but essential, but very, very important. Whereas a macronutrients you have to take in a bulk. These, we know that all food materials are carbohydrates, proteins, fats. All these are also nutrients only, but it comes in the macronutrients, including water. Water is also macronutrient. Micronutrients, only two things: vitamins and minerals. So under this heading, micronutrients, we will see what is the deficiency of vitamins and deficiency of minerals. If you want to stop the tablet for the diseases what you are suffering, you have to see what you have to take the vitamins and minerals regularly. I will show you what happens. There is a science of vitamin A. Vitamin A deficiency, first it leads to night blindness. You can see here. Night blindness, first effect, vitamin A. It leads to eye, so that you can remember all these dry eyes. It is also night blindness, eyes only. Beyond the eyes, there is a skin is there. That skin also, it become a dry. So these three attestates you can remember. Dry skin, because the skin is besides the and eyes. Okay, dry eyes, dry skin. Both are dry. So night blindness come. These three attests you can remember. Okay. Now the skin only with the help of this skin here. Acne, vitamin A, acne, like that you can remember. A stands for acne, pimples, just like a pimple like structures here, and breakouts will be there, and also poor wound healing. Wound healing will be delayed in case of deficiency of vitamin A. Vitamin A, it is a very important for skin. See, skin is always in the broken condition. So even though there was a cut, it cannot seal. Skin cannot become a self-sealing because of the deficiency of vitamin. So that's why if there is any cut, it cannot seal. Blood is losing because it looks like a dry skin, just like a desert earth. How the earth will be there in the desert in the same fashion. That is leads to vitamin A deficiency. That's why blood start bleeding from here. Even there was a cut, it starts going on, blood bleeding, loss of, and delayed growth of a children. Delayed growth. If you see 2 years at the, this is the height. If you see after 3 years, same height. Fourth year, same height, child. He is not growing. Fifth year, sixth year, seventh year, delayed growth. Growth will be delayed. Late, very late growth. And this point, you have to get connection with this one. Infertility. Even fetus also will not be developed. Infertility, zygote will not be developed, fetus will not be developed, even child also will not be developed. Like that, these two you can keep in your mind. And this is a pimple and wounds, attestation you can remember. These three you can be remember at attestation. These are the, and throat and chest infections. Okay, throat, here, throat and chest infections we have to keep in your mind, right? Okay. So this completes the vitamin A, and here you can see the capsules, red color capsules especially stands for vitamin A only. Vitamin A, whenever you see, you just suspect that it might be vitamin A by seeing the color of the capsule, because most of the vitamin A's are available in red color capsules only. I don't know why they have manufacturing in such a fashion, right? And vitamin B. Vitamin B is plenty of vitamin B is available in the brown rice. B stands for brown rice. Keep in your mind. B12, brown rice. Here I have shown the brown rice. It is a full of, but we are taking a polished rice. We are removing the upper layer of the rice. That consists of a vitamin B that we are removing it. Excellent. Okay. And we are taking white rice, right? So vitamin B is nothing but neuron. Neuron is nothing but vitamin B. That's it. Only two things. Wherever vitamin B comes, it is nothing but neuronal system. Neuronal system is nothing but the entire neurons are made up of vitamin B only. If vitamin B is not there, your brain is not there. That's it. Okay. See how the neuronal network is there. See like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See all the neuronal network. See here, depression, this one. Okay. See, first what happened when the neurons, degeneration of the neuron, myelin sheet, tendon and axons, myelin sheet, neuron part, it will be loose. It is made up of vitamin B only. So what happened? You will go undergo depression. Why? Means your neurons are not working. That's why you will undergo depression. Always depression. Depression means we will take medication. If you go to the doctor will give a medication, but he will not give the B complex. That is the thing happening. And due to the brain only, here, this is also cognitive decline. You will become dull. Here, depression, daily if it become like that, you will become an improduct. You are not producing anything like that. You are not able to think, you cannot able to give advice. Okay, you can't able to read, all these things. Because all are we are neuronal network only. No, this is also neuron, this is also neuron. And hypothyroidism. Thyroid will be attacked here, and infertility. It is very important in vitamin A also I have shown. So vitamin A, vitamin B, infertility, very important, very important, and low energy. You will become adult because all the neurons are depression, no? So you will feel very less energy and numbness. All the neurons will be struck. There is no proper blood circulation, and you will get a numbness. Okay, this is the signs of vitamin B12. All B complex only. Vitamin C deficiency, it leads to scurvy. In olden days, there was a ship was there. In the ship, all the people are traveling until that world do not know what is a vitamin C. They started journey, and after 1 month or two, in the ship they are going. Okay, all started dying, each person. Daily 1 or 2 persons have started dying. Why means because of the deficiency of vitamin C. Later, they did a research on the body and finally they told that there was a deficiency of some vitamin C and they started taking of orange fruits, okay. This is a LIMC. Vitamin C is available in the form of tablets, in the company name is LIMC. This is the main thing. Fragile, your skin will become fragile. Nose bleed, see here, nose is bleeding. Gums are bleeding. This is very, very much. Dry skin, see here also dry skin is there. Dry skin. So since the skin is dry, say all are here only. Skin is dry. Gingival, this is called a scurvy. See here, scurvy. Symptoms, causes, diagnosis and treatment. Gingivitis, like a gums. Okay. Easy bruising, loosening of the skin and slow wound healing. Wound healing is very, very important for vitamin A and vitamin C. AC is important, like A, C for wound healing. If you got any wound, you sit in AC, not that AC. A, C, like that you can remember. Dry or splitting hair. See, hairs will become a dry and it starts splitting into the skin. Joint pains, okay. And immune system, very, very important. I already told you vitamin D and vitamin C are very important for immune system. A and C for wound healing. And digestive disorders. This is also one of the thing for vitamin C, very important, right? So like that you have to remember vitamin D deficiency, especially for the women. Most of the women are suffering with the deficiency of vitamin D. D is a deficiency of vitamin. That's why the calcium sandwich, see here, calcium sandwich, vitamin D is always available along with the calcium. Calcium and vitamin D, they will make a tablet because both are synergistic effect during the absorption. When you are taking a calcium tablet, there will be definitely they will combine the vitamin D because vitamin D enhances the calcium absorption. Calcium will enhance the vitamin D absorption. Both are synergistic effect. Okay, since it is made up of calcium is made up of, especially for women, they made the tin is like that. If you open this one, this red cap, if you open inside, there was a calcium tablets will be there. So for very attractive, very biggest marketing strategy it is. By seeing this, easily we can put in our showcase also. Okay, calcium sandwich. You go and ask calcium sandwich. And this is for the dogs. Dogs. See, these are the tablet, not the real bones. Calcium tablets only with the vitamin D deficiency. High BP. Whenever there was a high BP, doctor will prescribe the atenolol, propranolol and all, but they will not tell you to take a because you are suffering with the vitamin D. If you are taking a vitamin D properly, you will get a low blood pressure. And see mood swings. One side, see here, face is changing. Mood swings will be there. Whenever there was a mood swing, mood is changing, especially for women, deficiency of vitamin D. And overweight, heavy weight, that is due to the D deficiency. Dry skin again, D again, dry skin. Joint pains. You will get an immune impairment. I have already told you vitamin D is D and C, immune system boosters. And excessive sweating, you will get more sweating, just like summer. And digestive problem, D again, digestive problem. And fatigue, you fell down, you will be fell down. You cannot do the work repeatedly, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. If you are repeating, you will be fell down. This is the problem. And vitamin E, especially for the hair and skin. Hair, skin, wherever hair and skin comes, vitamin E. Vitamin E, very important for blood cells also, RBC, anemia, very important. Nobody knows that. Generally, we are thinking that it is iron, E, erythrocytes. E stands for erythrocyte, very important. E, erythrocytes. It leads to deficiency, leads to anemia. Muscle weakness will be there. These are the vitamin E capsules available. Also, already it is available in the stores in the green color only. Most of the vitamin E tablets are green color only. And eye problems and dry, flaky skin like this. Flaky, it becomes a flaky skin. Hair fall is there. Walking difficulties. He will not walk straightly. He will walk like this. And hormonal imbalance. Hormones will be imbalanced because vitamin E structure is related to somewhat cholesterol. And symptoms of vitamin K, bleeding is the main problem. If vitamin K is deficiency is there, bleeding starts going. Bleeding, complete bleeding will be there. Blood loss is heavy, excessive bleeding. Like this it goes. Easy bruising. See here, the clot of the blood here on the nails, bruising, small blood clots beneath the skin. Fecal matter is very black and terry stools. Terry stool, fecal matter. And bleeding of the mucous membrane areas inside your body. Wherever inside of the mucous membrane, if there was a vitamin K deficiency is there, it starts internal bleeding. And this is a somewhat summary table. Here you can see the, take a screenshot all. Vitamin A, retinol, it is called as a what happened, night blindness. Okay, beriberi. B stands for beriberi deficiency. Like that, you can remember. If you want B7, B9, B12, C, ascorbic acid. This is generally we are studying in our childhood. The same only here. This is summary of the just only the thing. But you have to write vitamin, what is vitamin A, vitamin B individually. Mineral deficiency. Calcium, brittle bones. Calcium is equal to bones, bones is equal to calcium. Vitamin B is equal to neuron, neurons is equal to vitamin B. Excessive bleeding, stunned growth, phosphorus also for bones. Calcium and phosphorus, keep in your mind. Side by side, you can remember. Calcium and phosphorus, very important for the bones, teeth, body weakness. Sodium, dehydration. That's why normal saline we are giving. Because normal saline, NaCl, it consists of sodium. Because of the dehydration, we are taking a normal saline. Like that, you can remember. Extreme body weakness will be there. When sodium is not there, deficiency is not there, that is a problem. You will be fell down. Okay, dehydration. Potassium, muscle weakness, paralysis. Muscles mainly for the potassium. Potassium is very rich in the coconut water and very rich in the banana. It reduces the BP. Potassium is heart friendly. Sodium is the enemy for the heart. Both are opposite action on the heart. Sodium increases the BP, potassium decreases the BP. Iron, it leads to anemia. Iodine, goiter, we know very well. Iodine, iron anemia, we know. And fluorine, dental caries. And calcium, among this important we will see. This is a summary, total summary. And calcium, bones, wherever calcium comes with bones. See here, this is a normal bone and this is a calcium deficiency bone. It leads to osteoporosis. See here, osteoporosis and fragile bones. See, if your bone is like this, very weak, even though if you suppose say fell down and if your bones are weak, density is not there, bone density. So the doctor will not do the operation also. If you, doctor will fit a screw, it cannot tolerate because it goes inside only. It comes that side because your bone is weak. So you are unfit for the, even for the operation also. That type of situation is there. Calcium, because there is in operation they will fit with screws, no? That is very, that's why your bone has to give support for the screw at least. Here see, empty bone is there, like a brittleness, nails, skin, sleeplessness, hypertension, tetany and muscle spasm. Okay, all these you have to take screenshot and you have to write in the examination. Vitamin and I, very biggest business. This product, thyroxine, sales is like that only. Excellent sales. Because of the iodine deficiency, thyroxine sodium available. It is already there in the iodized salt. But we are not taking iodized salt. That's why you have to take the this one, thyroxine tablet. Swelling of the neck here. It will be swell like this. Okay, unexpected weight gain. Your weight is increased. Hair loss. You will get only one hair on the head. Okay, hair loss and fatigue, weakness, dry, flaky skin. Okay, and trouble in the learning. You can't learn properly in the thyroid. That's why you have to check thyroid whenever you are not learning. Okay, problems during the pregnancy. Very important. Most of the pregnancy problems are due to the iodine deficiency only. Irregular periods. Okay, changing in the heart rate, sodium deficiency. Hyponatremia, hypernatremia. Hypernatremia means excess. This is what we are reading, only deficiency. Keep in your mind. Excess vomiting or diarrhea, insufficient adolescence production, kidney failure, sodium if loss, excessive water intake, and all these are the hyponatremia causes. That is enough for you. And this is a magnesium, very important for entire body, from top to bottom. Magnesium. Headache, dizziness, confusion. This part. Posterior headache, cramps in the muscle of the face, neck, shoulders. Generally, whenever we will get a pain, we are not bothering about either I am suffering with a nutritional deficiency or not. We will go to the doctor. Doctor will start writing the prescription, the tablets we are eating. So it leads to burden on the kidney. The same thing was going on, but we cannot change our diet habits. We cannot change. That's our speciality. And tie and cough comes like paresthesia. Okay, tingling. Okay, all these things will be there, and this is a deficiency of the kwashiorkor and marasmus due to the protein deficiency. These are the symptoms. Here you will get he will get only like this abdomen will be like that. So we will think that he is full of food, but no, don't think such. Here everything is on the line. Here everything is in the round. Head is round, cheeks are round here. Okay, old person's face. Here this is marasmus, very important. Marasmus, kwashiorkor, very very important. Hair loss will be there. Old person face, wrinkled skin, severe muscle wasting. Here swollen ankles and scaly skin. All these are the kwashiorkor problems. Edema, swelling will be there. Kwashiorkor, protein deficiency, and marasmus. Carbohydrate deficiency leads to acidosis. Acidosis means systemic. Our blood, see here, acidity in the blood, acidity in the tissues. It rises, okay, and it causes a irreversible cell damage. Cells will be damaged because of the carbohydrate deficiency. Generally, we are not suffering with the carbohydrate. Whatever we are taking daily is a carbohydrate only. Generally, we will take most of the things what we are eating is carbohydrate only. It leads to ketosis also. Deficiency leads to ketosis, production of the ketone bodies, which leads to ketosis. And hypoglycemia, sugar will be reduced because carbohydrates manufacture the sugar in the body. All carbohydrates converted into sugar. And mood swings, constipation, only headaches are enough. This is a protein deficiency. Kwashiorkor, marasmus, gas and bloating, constipation, anxiety, irritability, restlessness, insomnia, sleeplessness, protein, osteoporosis, functional hypo. All these are the problems of the protein deficiency. And this is the last one, deficiency of fat. So carbohydrate, proteins, fats. Growth is retarded. Stop. Complete stop of the growth. And flaky skin. See here, this is flaky skin. It becomes, your skin will become like a flakes. See here how the white flakes are coming here. And this is pinoderma. This she is standing here and showing the elbow. In the elbow, see how the skin is there. This is not a skin problem. This is a problem of deficiency of fat. Okay, phytoderma, toad skin. This is called. And development of itchy sores on the scalp. These are the itchy sores on the scalp. So that you can remember easily with the help of all these diagrams. So I will end here. Go and check with your vitamins and minerals in your body. What is the proportion is there? Either it is less is there, more is there. Then only you can go for the treatment. Up to that, no treatment, no tablets is required. First of all, you have to check your deficiency.